Teams I already told about this one project and give you complete detail about this one project. Right here you can see I'm just want to give you some important detail. You can see right here a day ago I'm completely reviewed this one project, but why I'm select this one project again, and how much potential they have in upcoming time. So I'm giving in this video complete detail about this one project, and all the related link about this one project you will be get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure, if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Zishan Hormuz, because I am never miss those projects who have a potential in upcoming time. Right here you can see I am already upload many videos about those projects who have a more and more potential and who have a more and more events in upcoming time. But right now I just want to come to Chim's Burger. I think you already know about that because you will be search more and more about this Chim's Burger. But this is the Chim's Burger your Metaversa NFT mint pass. But in which time we can mint this one pass? So I just want to clear everything about this. So right here, if these pass are come to the main Chim's Inno project, that means in that time we directly buy that. But right here we don't able to buy it right now, because you can see Chim's Inno will be incorporating our token and NFT into upcoming cross-chain Metaversa game. So they also looking for a Metaversa game. They also want to create a Metaversa game, but you know about that. If you look to any Metaversa projects, they have a more and more potential in upcoming time. Why? What's the reason behind that? You know about that. If more and more people are come to play this one game, then that time the supplies also come to more, and that time the prices will be come more and more. So this is a main reason behind that. And if you look to about the game, because I'm just want to clear everything about the main Chim's Burger your Metaversa NFT pass. Right here, if you look to this game, will incorporate many play to earn component. In order to participate in many of them, you will need an NFT pass. So first of all, to play this one game, you must have a NFT mint pass. But in which time we will able to buy this one NFT mint pass? So right here, if you look right here, you can see the first 2500 will be for self or 0.25 BNB. So basically I'm just want to recommend that you must be participate in the first 2500, because if you look, you can see there's a too much low price. You can see 0.25 BNB. So means that if you miss this one sell, after that you will be directly buy on the next 1000 will cost 0.5 BNB, and after that the next 1000 will be cost 1 BNB. So price will be increased day by day. So this is a main reason. That's why I'm told about that you must be participate in the first. But if you forget about that, so you must be subscribe my channel. I will be give you complete detail about this in any time they have just to launch the mint pass. And after that, if you look to price draw and art revolve on January East, you can see right here. And if you look to our NFT are not yet to show, because these are all coming soon. So you must be wait for that. And after that, if they are launched in the main NFT Burger, so you will be able to buy this one and mint from here. And to play this one game, you must have a NFT mint pass. After that you will be able to play this one game. And after that, I just want to go to CoinMarketCap, because I am also want to predict that how much are increasing just in a day. So you can see I am already told about this one project in a day, but right now if you look, you can see 9.8% up in just in 24 hours. And after that, if you look to this project, you can see this project is also clarified from the Certic, and this work on BP20 network. I am already give complete prediction about that, and you can check those video. And after that, I will be also place this one link in the description box. And after that, I just want to give more and more important about this one project. You can see This is Q1 2022 and beyond. So meme troll and Q1 release. So this is a most important for that bigger community and bigger exchange listing. So in that time you are thinking about that bigger exchange listing is Coinbase and Binance and Qcoin. So I think so they will be listed on Binance, but this is not confirmed because if you look to this project. But I'm just want to go and give some important why I'm talking about that this will be listed on Binance. You can see right here, Binance always supports the cheap price, always they support. So that's why I'm talking about that they will be listed soon on Binance. So right here I just want to come back, and if you look to, you can see bigger influencer, bigger marketing campaign and partnership and P2E game. So if you hold this one project up to end of 2022, means that you will be gain a 1000% return from this one project. So this is all detail about that, and right here you can also check out the some main article of this one project. You can see Bloomberg, Nasdaq, Yahoo Finance and Market Watch. So this is some detail about that, and this is who are influencer of this one project. This is all detail about this, but I want to recommend it. If you won't miss this NFT pass, so you must be join the main Telegram channel of this one project and Discord, and as well as Twitter account. You must follow the Twitter account of this one project. After that you will be able to participate in 2500 pre-sale in first sale of NFT mint pass. So this is all detail about that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from the Sean Hormuz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.